Transfarm 4.0 is the European Union's transnational project for bringing these innovative technologies closer to farms. The project is coordinated by CREA, an agricultural research centre based in Conegliano Veneto, Italy. The Veneto region, where CREA is based, is the Prosecco's homeland. More than half of the arable land in this region is committed to vineyards.
Precision agriculture starts from the idea of to make the right thing in the right place in the right time. So we need to use all the technologies that are available, also from sensors, but also from variable rate application machineries, in order to be more precise in the application of agricultural inputs during the cultivation cycle, and this way to reduce the amount of these inputs and to increase their efficiency. Vines are nowadays the most common crops, very important production for the Veneto region because of a lot of PDO products. Like for example, here we are in the Prosecco Valley, and we are surrounded by a Prosecco vineyard, as you can see. But although this is a very important production, it is a very important impact on the economy and also in the environment of our ice, for example. And precision agriculture, in this sense, can help us to reduce this impact and to improve the sustainability of our production. Usually I'm in contact with a lot of farmers, and I like also to speak with them about these technological trends that are currently going now. And but they are very interested about these technologies because they with their work they can see that they can improve their products. They can produce better, and they can bring more passion in their products. And but one of the main problems of the precision viticulture adoption, for example, is to give the right knowledge to the farmers and to explain them how is the importance of these practices. And also in the other way, the economic availability of this technology should be not so high in order to create a large impact among the vineyards in Veneto region. This project has been a very important occasion also for us to meet other cultures, to meet also other countries, and to gain from them knowledge and to share this knowledge about what we do here and what they do in their place, and to try to together solve these problems that we are in common in a large vision for a more sustainable agriculture in future for Europe and especially for the Central Europe. Of course, one of the differences are the type of agriculture that they are performed, because for example here we are more specialized in vineyards, but in Slovenia the main crop is fruits, orchards. And so there are a little bit of differences among these. Also, maybe in Slovenia, I saw that there is a very, very important interest about electronics and the new technology. So a very interesting knowledge to bring also in Italy in order to improve our mechanics technologies that we have in Italy. And like we have an important machinery industry, but if we meet these electronics with the Italian mechanics industry, we can create a very, very important, we can give another step to our industry in order to produce more intelligent machineries for our crops and for our cultivations. My job is CREA is to try to innovate in viticulture through new technologies, like for example technologies that came from precision agriculture. So we are speaking about sensors, intelligent machineries, robots, but also in variable rate application machineries. And I'm trying to translate all this knowledge in viable solutions for the agricultures in order to improve their work and their sustainability in terms of economics and also environmental impact of their production.
You are in Conegliano Veneto. Veneto is an Italian region where what is the most important crop here?
Here, as we can see, is a vineyard in Veneto. For us, is a very, very important production. We are the first Italian region in terms of surfaces for viticulture, and it has a very impact also in terms of economics, but also in sustainability, because of it needs a lot of treatments for the control, for example, of diseases that are characterizing this plant. We are trying different treatments for in order to reduce the amount of water and to reduce the amount of fertilizers for the growth of vines, but also we are trying to correct a wrong application of copper during the years with a new solution, like for example precision spraying, in order to reduce the amount of chemicals and preserve the environment. I think that Transfarm 4.0 is a very, very important occasion because it is different than past occasions where we work only locally, but we have also the occasion to work in a transnational environment. So we met some other institutions from other countries that can bring us innovative knowledge that we didn't develop within time. And now together we can improve our technologies in a common vision of European agriculture development. Currently we are experimenting an innovative solution for the spraying of pesticides in vineyards but also in orchards, where we are doing spot spraying only in presence of plants. And this means a reduction of chemical products that are spraying in the environment, and also a reduction of the cost for the farmer because of the less product to spray. In our pilot we are using a new approach of sensor application because we are trying to reduce the costs, which is a burden of the precision agricultural application. And we are also testing a new setup of, for example, LiDAR sensors in order to keep the technology at a low price and also accessible for the farmers. Another positive things of this project is that I had the occasion to meet a lot of farmers and to meet also their passion that they put in their products, and also their interest about new technology in order to improve the quality of their products. They are very interested about this occasion, about these opportunities, because they can try they can find the opportunity to applicate then the technology in their fields and be more sustainable in their work. So they are very happy to see what we are doing.